Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix Realtek high definition audio driver issues on Windows 11. And for this we go to the search bar and we search for device manager, then click on enter, and right now you will open our device manager right here. Then what we need to do is we want to go to sound, video and game controls. Please click on the arrow, and then from here we want to find the high definition audio device. Now I'm using a AMD, but you can also have something different right there. Then from here we click on the right mouse click and we do update driver. Then from here we click on browse my computer, and then right here we click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then make sure that you select the uppermost option, so the AMD high definition audio device. Then we do next. Right now is installing the drivers. And from now, Windows has successfully updated your drivers. So right now, if we click everything away and we restart our computer by going to this, click on this and then do restart, your Realtek high definition audio driver will work. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.